My name is Alicia Brewer. I work for Insperity. Bloomfire for Insperity we have been using in our sales corporation for several years as a sales portal to get people across the regions interacting and asking questions. And then currently we're launching Bloomfire for our services operation. So the services department is the largest department inside Insperity. Those are our HR specialists, our payroll specialists, our benefit representatives who are servicing the client and directly interacting with them. A lot of people, myself included, have more of a linear thought process on how to store knowledge, right? It has to be in a taxonomy, in a tree. It's more like the traditional old school way of storing information. And the Google-like search that Bloomfire has is kind of a new way of looking at information retrieval. So Bloomfire allows us to tag things, or even as they index all of the content that's embedded within the files, it allows for relevant information to pop because those keywords are always being indexed. Other platforms don't have that depth of indexing or depth of information retrieval that Bloomfire allows for. The way that work is done in our company is changing, and we have company culture, and that's really important to us around teamwork and around utilizing knowledge from other people. And in order to keep that company culture intact, we need a tool like Bloomfire to allow us to continue to have teamwork, continue to have those conversations even when we're not in the same physical location.